What is up, Prince Squad? I'm back today with another video, and if you want to see what I'm going to be doing in today's video, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Prince Squad, I just got off the live stream, and while I was on the live stream, the mailman actually dropped off a package, and the package is right here. So I'm going to be unboxing this package and setting up something. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so you guys can check it out and see what I'm doing. Alright, Prince Squad, I've got my knife right here. Going to go ahead and open the package up as carefully as I can. Oh, I almost cut my abdomen. Let me see. Okay, this is not what I was expecting right here. Okay, I don't know, maybe it is. Okay, here is what I got right here. And let me see how big this is, because I could have swore the one that I ordered was supposed to be 18 inches. This does not look like 18 inches. Let me see. Okay. This is actually, let me see. I'm thinking this is the wrong thing. Let me get my measuring tool and see if this is actually the right size. Okay, this, all right, okay, maybe it's just looking smaller. It says it's 18 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and try to see if I can set it up. I don't even know how to set it up. Let me read the instructions, y'all. Y'all know I hate to read. Come on. All right. Grasp both crossbars. Both crossbars. Are these the crossbars? And pull them apart. Okay, well that was kind of rough. All right, so when I was ordering this thing right here, I was not expecting this. I was expecting this wooden bar to not be here. I was expecting a metal bar. So some of y'all probably don't even know what this is, right? I'm about to show you in just a minute. Okay. Okay, it says to use under the counter. It's no under the counter. Use hardware included. It's not any hardware included. Oh, it says not included. I told you I don't like to read. Y'all see one hand here. Okay, there it is. There it is. If I can get them both off the same. Okay. All right. So that's that. And this is this. So now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with this. Hopefully this works out. But my little thing I got that's supposed to go on here, I don't know. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all see this bad boy right here that I showed y'all in a previous video? That's what's going to go on here. I didn't think it would fit. I wasn't thinking it was going to fit on here, but I'm going to turn it to the side like this. And as you guys see, it fits. It fits. It's going to fit. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this. And go ahead and place the roll inside of here. If I can get it out on the end over here. Okay. So now, let me see. Y'all, you girl struggling trying to get this in here. Okay. We got it. We got it. We got it in here. Alright, so that's basically it. I'm gonna have to put these little feet. Okay, the camera, you wanna not focus now. Come on. I've been having a few little issues with my camera, y'all. I think a lot of it is due to the lighting. I'm gonna have to get this light fixed. I'll probably have to get one of my uncles over here to fix it. But yeah. This is basically a paper roll holder, and it also helps you tear the rolls. So right here, and this is actually unwaxed butcher paper right here. Yeah, so this is what I will be using with my sublimation printing. And I wanted to get a huge, okay, did I just lose one of these little, okay, the little rubber feet. Let me go ahead and stick them on here before I don't know what they are. Okay, I'm gonna just lay this over like this and stick these little feet on here. Let me see. Okay, so right here y'all see the little feet. They just look like this. Just stick it right there. And that's like some little no-slip feet. So I'm going to sit the camera down so I can set everything back up. Alright, so got everything set. Let me see. Go ahead and flip it over right here. And it's on those feet now. Kind of wrinkled up that little part. Let me go ahead and try to tear the rest of this off. All right. All right, so got that right there, and I'm thinking this is supposed to go through here. That's supposed to go right here. Push it down through there. Okay, so when I roll it off right there, I'm just gonna tear this little part. So right there, there's a pretty straight edge, but you guys kind of see how it works. It's not a perfect straight edge, but it's good enough. And if you don't know what you do with this, y'all just stay tuned, and I will be showing you some videos to see what you do with this, and show you guys how to save a little bit of money, because you can buy the craft paper or you can use this butcher paper and save. So yeah, and I do have some more packages coming in today, so it'll probably be later on today because they're being delivered by different companies. Oh, and I'm going to show y'all this other stuff I got over here too. The packages I have over here, they are actually pertaining to the other packages, and these lights, y'all, are bad. Okay, so right here, y'all see, oh, I don't want to show off too much, but right here I got this package and I got this package, 2 packages. And I will be opening them up later today when the rest of the stuff that goes with them comes in, and that'll be for another video. And alright, and I don't know exactly where I'm going to put this thing right here. I'm going to find a place for it, and I'll let you guys see. And I guess I could show you guys my setup back here. I'm going to show you guys my setup back here while it's kind of downtime. So I do have everything set up over here. Look, up here I got everything covered by dust cover. That's my laminator right there. And also my printer with the stereo on top right there. I'm not going to remove everything. Well, I guess I am going to remove everything. But yeah, as y'all see, that's my laminator. That's my old HP printer right there. And got my sublimation printer set up. Got my tape over on that side. Sublimation ink on that side. So yeah, this is what the area over here is looking like. Y'all know this area from my videos. I set my laptop here a lot and got that vinyl cutter right there and extra space over there. So yeah, that's what it's looking like right now, but I still got more equipment coming in. I'll let you guys see and know how everything goes as I get more things in, and kind of let y'all see where everything will be set up at. Alright, Print Squad, I did find a place for my paper roll, so I changed my setup around a little bit, so I'm going to show it to you guys and let you see what it's looking like so that you will be familiar with it when you see it in the next video. So right there, there's my paper roll, got my sub printer right there, that's my older printer that I usually print my film, but I've heard that you can use this same ink and printer to print your film, so maybe doing that. And then I can use that space up there for something else, maybe paper storage or that vinyl cutter or the stereo, something else. But yeah, that's what my setup is looking like right now. So I just wanted you guys to see that. And that's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel and the red channel. And do not forget, you guys, I do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm getting confused with these time zones. And in Ireland, we are actually 2 p.m. So I don't know about the other countries right now and the other people I have from different places, but yeah, that's what time I'm going to be live streaming every single day, Monday through Friday. If something comes up, I will let you guys know and reschedule, or it may be a little shorter than usual. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. On the green channel, I'm posting every day, or that's my plan, posting videos every day and live streaming on Sundays. So I appreciate you guys watching. And if you're interested in any other products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check down below this video for links. And I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.